God.
What's happening in there?
I'm taking a crap.
Well, then can you hurry up? How long are you going to be in there anyway?
I would hurry up, but I can't reach the toilet paper.
Well, why don't you just get up and grab it, you idiot?
If I get up, my crap will smear on the seat.
No. I'm going to the hospital.
Yes. Oh, this is good paper. My creep up.